Oh, hello there. Today I will be discussing raw denim with you and how to care for it. But first of all, I need to explain what raw denim is. It is exactly that. Unwashed, raw, unprocessed denim sewn into garments and sold to you. Now, what is so special about raw denim? Well, my friends, you need to ask yourself a very important question. Who am I? Do I want to look really cool, but perhaps may smell a bit from time to time? Or do I want to be very clean, but perhaps jeopardize the character of my jeans? I don't know about you, but this question leaves me up all night long, tossing and turning with nightmares. Are you the person who throws their jeans in the washing machine with everything else in your laundry basket? And in this case, you just want a clean pair of jeans that you can wear until you need to buy another pair. Are you somebody who likes unworn in, fresh off the shelf jeans that you can wear to a smart casual occasion? In this case, you probably can't wash your jeans very often, if not at all. If you're okay with that, then you might want to try freezing your jeans when they get too dirty. Or otherwise, you can just spot clean certain spots with soapy water and a sponge. Other times, you may get to your limit and have to wash your jeans. This is what we call a denim heads conundrum. In this case, you will want to flip your jeans inside out so that the indigo will not run out as much as it would outside in. Then you would want to place it in a bathtub or a big basin full of 30-degree water with some mild detergent or special denim detergent in there. Soak for 5 minutes and then wring dry and hang out of the shade to dry. If, however, you would like jeans with your own beautiful personalized character, worn-in marks where you've used them a lot, and beautiful color variation, you might want to wear them for 30 or 40 years. Or, on the other hand, you might like to use some special techniques like rubbing them with stones, or using sandpaper, or bleaching them in the sun, or bashing the crap out of them with anything you have.